everybody, Sarah the Triceratops here, and welcome to Take or Toss Thursdays. Today I am reviewing a dice rolling box that is a zombie hand that I got my beloved husband for Christmas. So if you play Dungeons and Dragons, I highly recommend this box. Not only for its looks, but it is also a decent size, as you can see. The detail in it is fantastic, the quality is fantastic, and it is well worth the price. Not only did I get a zombie dice rolling box, but I got some blood splattered dice. The ones I got do not look like these pictures, but they look kind of like the last picture. It's not as bright as blood as that. They had more than one option when I ordered mine. The one that I got was fuchsia, and it looks like a darker red. It looks close to actual blood, as opposed this is bright red, but this is all they have right now. So I just keep an eye on this, because for $6.99 it's really not that bad. They are decent dice. I mean, right off the bat, when my husband rolled the D20, he got a 20 on the first roll. I'm like, okay, alright. What I get on the first time rolling mine, because I got 4 packs. First time rolling mine, I got a 1. I got a 1! And I'm like, oh great, this is not gonna work out for me. Why does he get the lucky dice? Whatever. But for $6.99, you really can't beat that price for the dice. These two items are definitely takes. They are well worth the money. They are very good quality, and they go perfectly for any D&D game. They go perfectly for, my husband does zombie D&D, where it's a little limited because you can only be human, but the whole world is just a zombie apocalypse type of D&D game, if you get what I'm meaning. Or these would also be great for anybody who just likes zombies. Or creepy dice. If you're like me and you're into serial killer documentaries on TV. If the ID channel on TV is your channel, you're my kind of people. But anywho, definitely recommend buying both of these. You can find them both on Amazon. I have the titles in some of the pictures to where you can look up exactly what it is. And I have the price, so you know exactly how much. And I would definitely watch, because sometimes they do go lower in price and you can get a bargain. So definitely watch out for that. Specifically close to holidays, they usually go on sale. Most things on Amazon go on sale near holidays, but maybe try close to Valentine's Day. You'd probably strike a deal. But anyways, if you guys like this video, please leave a like. Don't forget to share. Tell your friends about these wonderful items. And I will see you guys later. Peace.